This book is called Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. Pictures are by Eric Carle. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. What noise does a bear make? Roar. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Do you hear that noise? That's a bunch of birds tweeting. Tweet, 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 tweet. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Listen to all those ducks. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Do you know what noise a horse makes? A horse goes neigh. This is what a real horse sounds like. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. What noise does a frog make? A frog goes ribbit, ribbit. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Do you know what sound a cat makes? That's right, a cat goes meow. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. That's the sound of a dog barking. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Listen to the sheep. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. What color is the fish? That's right, it's orange. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. That's the end of the book. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe.